This is Miguel Cayabyab, your Mr. Global Asian Central Philippines!
Ito na, ang pinakaintay natin na you're now be flying over to
Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur for your competition. So when will be your competition?
This January 26 na po until 29, our grand final po.
So 29 ang grand final. So you are already prepared sa mga pangkalahatang gagawin.
Yes.
Which is, you'll be competing for how many candidates already?
We're 10 po, 10 candidates, including yung isang Philippines pa.
So the question is, how do you feel right now na dalawa kayong Pilipinas, you're battling with another Philippine candidate?
He's a friend of mine. And I think this competition, friendly game lang namin, but still we're giving our best to represent our beloved country, of course. Hindi lang basta magpabaya or mag-lay low, bibigay pa rin namin best namin.
Still a win-win situation between Central Philippines and another
Yes.
Filipino sapagkat Philippines ang inyong flag na dinadala. What do you think is your edge over the other Filipino out there?
Di lang po siya for the country, but also for my personal growth. And of course, finally, I am allowed to represent the Philippines in international level. And di ko talaga inasahan eh. Then I just prepare myself all over, physically, mentally, emotionally. Ayun, siguro kaya I confidently say na lamang ako siguro dahil I am dedicated to grow.
Speaking of personal growth, I've seen you on the past pageant that you joined. Iba yung glow mo ngayon, and I think parang ako mismo hindi makapaniwalang siya ba yun? Kasi you're built, your aura, winnable features, I guess.
Ayun, after my past competition, hindi ako nagpabaya eh. Yes po, tinake ko lang siya as a lesson, though I didn't win the title. I take the opportunity to grow pa. Physically, of course. Sabi nyo nga po, from you, mentally, I just train, I continue what I trained before.
When you're talking about mentally, how mentally are you prepared now? Kasi physically, nasa yun na. Diba? You're a super gorgeous, tall, dark, handsome Filipino. But now we are talking about mentally. Kasi medyo dyan tayo magkakalabanan. Not you talking about question and answer portion, but yung mga preparations, battling with other candidates out there.
Actually, that is my most weakness. I used to suffer with self-doubt, syempre, especially talking to a lot of people. And I just trained myself, preparing my stage presence. No, I embraced the feedback of everyone. So of course, then finally, I think na overcome ko yung weakness ko eh. Then may mga hidden battles ako. Then nandiyan pa rin yung doubt, pero ayun, I just overcome it. So ang daming naniniwala sa akin eh. Especially my family, yung patuloy na nagsuporta sa akin after ng recent pageant ko. It fuels me up para ipagpatuloy. Sabi ko, lagi kong tinatanong sa sarili ko I am ready for international na ba? This is it. Andito na ako eh. So I had to prove myself, of course.
And also you have a very wonderful team behind you
Yes.
na hindi ka pinabayaan. So that is already a good backbone para makuha mo talaga ang corona. What is your promise to all the Filipino people na waiting for you to get the crown?
First of all, thank you so much for still continuing your support to me. Actually, hindi ko rin talaga in-expect na lalaban na ako for international level. I hope you still continue your support and until I bring the crown home for the Philippines.